Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a get ready with me for my birthday. It is my birthday today, so we're going out tonight to go out with friends and stuff and just hang out. And if you can tell, I got a new camera and I'm super stoked about it. The quality is like so much better. Got a microphone and everything. My husband really spoiled me for my birthday this year, so I'm super excited. Also, I got second piercings today. I went with my sister-in-law. This is kind of like her birthday present to me, and it's something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I probably wouldn't have done if nobody had like really pushed me a little bit because I'm a chicken. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then you can just keep on watching. So first, I'm just going in with my L'Oreal Magic Lumi primer to prime the face and make sure our makeup lasts all night. And this particular one's just going to give us a nice glowy complexion, and just, yeah, it's really pretty. Then I'm going in with some concealer just to prime my eyes. This one's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And then I'm just blending it in with my finger. And next I'm going in with some Too Faced Peach Perfect powder, translucent setting powder, to set that concealer just to make sure our eyeshadow doesn't crease and lasts all night. So then I'm going into the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going into the shade Burnt Orange to use as my transition shade. And I'm using a MAC 217 brush and just kind of building it up in my crease. Next, I'm going into the shade Sienna, which is this really pretty kind of brick red color. And I'm just using that to deepen up my crease a little bit more and just add more depth to the eyes. And just kind of smoking it down a little bit. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Mulberry, which is this really pretty red, kind of like reddish maroon color, and I'm just packing that onto the lid, kind of going for that smoky look, and just adding that color and just packing it on a bit, just to darken it up some, and yeah, make it a little more dramatic. And I'm just then going in with some concealer to put on the lid, because I wanted to add a shimmery color, and I'm just using an e.l.f. concealer brush here, and then I'm going in with a more fine eyeliner brush to just create a more precise like cut crease, and just blending it out. So then I didn't show the shade, but after the concealer I'm going in to the shade Sultry. I'm spraying my brush with some setting spray and going into the shade Sultry, which is this really, really pretty purpley, shimmery color. And I'm just adding that to the eyes just to add a little something fun since I'm going out and stuff for this look. And then going back into the shade Mulberry, I'm taking that on my MAC 217 brush to just make sure it's all blended out. And then I wanted to darken up a little more, so I'm going into Cypress Umber, just to make sure there's no like splotches and everything's nice and smooth and just really like deep and dark was what I was kind of going for. Next, I'm going in with some Inglot Gel Liner and taking that on a Sigma EOS 7 brush, I believe it is, and just doing a really thin line, nothing too crazy here. Then I'm going in with some mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. It's the one I've been obsessed with lately. And I already had some mascara on from earlier in the day, and I just added a little more. Next, I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Light Beige, taking an Eco Tools foundation brush and just applying that all over my face. And then we're going to go in with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender and just blend everything out. And you really want to take your time blending out your foundation just so everything is seamless make sure you don't miss any spots, and it's blended into your hairline and everything. And I always start with a thinner layer and then I build where I need more coverage. So for me, that's my chin, sometimes little spots on my cheeks. Then I'm going with, I just had some samples of the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. So I'm just taking the two lightest shades and mixing those together, putting that under my eyes. And then I'm going with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and just highlighting a little more, bringing it out a bit, and then doing my forehead. And just like the center of my face, nose, chin, just so we have more highlighted effect. Next we're going to blend that all out with the same beauty blender and just blend, blend, blend. Next I'm just taking some setting powder, that Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder, setting under my eyes. Then we're going with the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks contour stick in Mocha, and we're just cream contouring cheekbones and forehead and nose. And then taking my Morphe stippling brush, I'm just blending everything out. And I always like to blend up and back. I never blend down because I want to make sure that we have that lifted effect. And I don't want it to get too close to my mouth or anything, and so I just blend it back so it's kind of going to my hairline and looks a little more natural. And then just making sure I really get my nose contour blended. And here comes Coda. And then I like to take Real Techniques, the sponge, and blend it more. Then I'm taking, I didn't show this, but I was taking the Benefit Hoola bronzer and just bronzing a little bit. I was also on the phone with my husband, so that's why I was like smiling and talking. Then we're going with the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter and just highlighting away so we look like a glazed donut. That was my goal. Just highlighting cheekbones, tip of the nose, center of the nose, temples, sorry, that's my dog, and Cupid's bow. And yeah, we're just really going crazy with the highlighter. Then we're gonna bake the contour using that same Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. And I really love baking the contour, so we have like a nice sharp contour. And I like to bake the nose, slim it out a little bit. And then I did not use those lashes. I ended up using the Ardell Faux Mink lashes, the 817 ones that I used in my previous video, because the other ones were just a little bit too intense for this eye look. These ones are just a little more wispy. Then I'm brushing away the bake with an e.l.f. Powder brush. And then going in with a blender again and just making sure everything's nice and blended and flawless. So then we're going into the shade Fairy to highlight the inner corners. And then just using the same shades on the lower lash line. So Burnt Orange, Sienna, Mulberry, and Cypress Umber. And just really smoking out that lower lash line. And then just going in with some mascara on the lower lash line, or lower lashes, using the same one as before. And then going with the Dose of Colors and Iluvsarahii liquid lipstick in the shade Nude Chica. And just applying that to our lips. I love the formulation of this liquid lipstick. It's just so beautiful. It looks a little bit glossy and doesn't dry super matte. And yeah, it's beautiful, and I think it looks so good with this eye look. And then just setting with our Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, so it lasts all night. And then just one more time, taking our beauty blender and just making sure we are nice and blended.
Alright, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and just, enjoyed, found it helpful, got some ideas. I loved how it turned out. I love how it turned out. And it's perfect for going out tonight downtown. And yeah, if you did like it, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment and give me recommendations for other videos that you would like to see on my channel. And be sure to hit that post notifications bell so you're notified every time I upload. Follow me on social media. I'll have all my
handles and stuff in the description box, as well as the products that I used in today's video. And yeah, I believe that is everything. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!